This section, I'm going to show you how to make use of Upwork. So this is an introductory class of Upwork. Alright, so for you to able to have access to Upwork, there are little things you need to know about Upwork. So you have to go to upwork.com, up and work.com. Alright, so one of the things about Upwork is it's a freelancing website where you can hire experts entry beginners, intermediate, and expert based on your client that is looking for a specific tax. All right. So one thing I want us to know is Upwork. If to find a talent, you have to post a job to hire a pro. You can browse and buy categories, buy projects. So for this project aspect, is for you to just, for example, if you need a social media manager or a logo or virtual assistant, you can create a project catalog where you told them that okay, this is the amount you charge maybe per month. So it's just you putting like just as if you are putting your payment plan and what you do. So and also you can just make use of their talent scouts, so which will help you to find the right freelancer for your job. So for those who want to post job, so how do you find work on job on Upwork? You said any ways to earn. Learn why Upwork has the right opportunity for you. Find your work for skills. Find ways to promote yourself. All right. So the question is that why Upwork? Why Upwork? All right. So why Upwork? One thing is that Upwork is easy for companies to find a freelancer online. Upwork is the world's work marketplace, and it makes finding right freelancing candidates simple. That's one of the things about Upwork because Upwork is it's a company that you can search for a particular set of skills on Upwork. So let me show you one of the top virtual assistants because this is one you're talking about virtual assistants here on Upwork. So the top 27 virtual assistant. If you can look at this, I had the best Amazon virtual assistant. Look at this person, Amazon virtual assistant, Amazon virtual assistant, Amazon virtual assistant, Amazon virtual assistant. So Amazon virtual assistant. So and also he added some other jobs he does. Amazon Seller Central, Supply Chain Management. He has taken 36 jobs. This person has taken 159 jobs, and this person charged $100 per hour. This person charged $59 per hour. This person charged $125 per hour. Wow. Some charge $35. 35 this one has done 35 jobs. So he's a project management supply chain Amazon assistant. This one too is Amazon virtual assistant. Amazon virtual assistant. So if you look at them, this one has taken 85 jobs. This guy has taken 52 jobs. This guy has taken 58 jobs. Amazon virtual assistant. Amazon virtual assistant. Amazon virtual assistant. So these are the best 27 best freelancing on Amazon for Amazon virtual assistant. This person has taken 79 jobs. So these are the ways you able to see those who have done what you're about to do. And one thing is that for you to able to or scale effectively, so you should learn from others. You should learn from others. So you should learn from others. So it's very, very important. So what? So this what it takes about your understanding Upworks. So Upworks is it has a success story. You how to hire, how to find work. So you can learn how to find work on Upwork. Forget the old rules. You can have best people right now. So Upwork is the best place to start as a freelancer. As a freelancer. So what you do? How does this work? Say you create your profile. It's free. Explore ways to earn. Get paid securely. So in the next class, I'm going to show you how to create and approve Upwork profile account and approve Upwork profile account. So see you in the next class.